Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove estimated taxes from your Shopify store, whether you're offering tax-free products or simply need to disable tax calculations for certain items. This guide will walk you through the complete process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all your store management tools. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Products from this menu. This will take you to your product catalog where all your listed items are displayed. From here, click on any product you want to remove taxes from. This opens up the individual product page where you can edit specific details. Once you're inside the product page, scroll down until you find the price section. Just beneath the price field, you'll notice an option labeled Charge Tax. Click on this option, and you'll see a checkbox that's likely enabled. Go ahead and uncheck the charge tax on this product box. This action removes tax calculations from this specific product. Don't forget to click the Save button at the top of the page to ensure your changes are applied. Give it a moment to process and save the updated settings. Next, we need to adjust your global tax settings to ensure taxes are removed store-wide. On the left side navigation menu, click on Settings. This will open up your store's main settings panel. Within the Settings menu, look to the left sidebar again, and click on Taxes and Duties. This section controls how taxes are handled across your entire store. Scroll down through the Taxes and Duties page until you locate the Global Settings section. Here, you'll find several options related to tax calculations and displays. Go ahead and uncheck all the options you see in this section. This effectively disables automatic tax calculations across your entire store. Once you've unchecked everything, click the Save button at the top of the page to confirm these changes. Wait a moment for Shopify to process and save your new tax configuration. Now let's customize how tax information appears on your storefront. Close the Settings panel and return to the main navigation on the left side. Click on Online Store to access your theme settings. You'll see your current active theme displayed. Click on the three dots next to your theme and select Edit Default Theme Content from the drop-down menu. This opens the theme editor where you can modify text and labels throughout your store. Click on the search icon, usually located at the top of the editor, and type tax into the search field. This will filter and display all text fields related to taxes throughout your theme. Now you have complete control over how tax-related text appears. You can edit all of these fields and change them to tax-free or any other wording that suits your store's needs. Maybe you want it to say no tax applied or something similar. Customize each field as you see fit. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, click the Save button at the top of the page, and that's it. You've successfully removed estimated taxes from your Shopify store and customized how tax information displays to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.